You are trying to accelerate onto the highway, but your engine is violently shaking, sputtering, and sounding like a broken tractor while a check engine light flashes right in your face. If your code reader is showing P0205, you have a cylinder 5 injector circuit malfunction, and your engine is essentially starving one of its cylinders of fuel. Every single fuel injector on your engine is supplied with constant battery voltage, and the engine computer acts as the boss, rapidly switching the ground circuit on and off to fire the injector exactly when needed. When the computer grounds the circuit to open the injector, it expects to see the voltage drop close to zero. When it releases the ground to close the injector, it expects that voltage to shoot right back up to battery levels. If the computer sees unexpected resistance, or the wrong voltage on cylinder number 5, it immediately throws the P0205 code and shuts down the circuit to protect itself. This is what causes that terrible misfire and total lack of power. Your absolute first step here is to physically inspect the wiring connector at the 5th injector. Engine bays are brutally hot environments, and the plastic connectors become incredibly brittle over time, often cracking or allowing the wires to chafe against the metal intake manifold. If the wiring looks perfect, grab your digital multimeter and test for power at the connector plug. You should see a solid 12 volts with the key on. If the power is there, you need to test the internal resistance of the fuel injector itself. The delicate copper coil inside the injector can easily burn out or short to itself. If you do not know the exact factory resistance specs, a great mechanic trick is to measure a known good injector on a different cylinder and compare the numbers. If cylinder 5 reads way off, the injector is dead and needs to be replaced. If you want to be absolutely certain before buying parts, you can swap the injector from cylinder 5 over to cylinder 4. Clear the codes, run the engine, and if the misfire code follows the injector and changes to AP0204, you have found your bad part.